Fl-aħħar 4 ġimgħat kellna 5 persuni li mietu bil-coronavirus f'pajjiżna, il fuq minn 1000 każ ġdid, 20 ta' każi sporadiċi u nies li ħadu l-virus minn fuq il-post tax-xogħol, iżda skont il-Prim Ministru sejrin tajjeb.
The numbers have fallen, that is something which is factual, so that is a much needed, that will be a much needed boost to our economy when we manage to get our tourism figures up again to what we had experienced last year and even the years before. But yes, we have managed to adjust to this new normal, and I believe we're also doing well.
Robert Abela għamel din dikjarazzjoni meta kien qed jieħu sehem f'konferenza online organizzata mill-Kamra tan-Negozji Żaru Medji fejn il-Prim Ministru kien qed iwieġeb domandi tal-Kap Eżekuttiv Abigail Mamo. Abela tkellem dwar il-fatt li l-vaċċin għal kontra l-COVID kapaċi jasal fix-xhur li ġejjin iżda insista li l-pandemija ta' fid-dum aktar milli ħsibna. U tkellem ukoll dwar il-ftuħ tal-iskejjel u saħaq illi huwa kruċjali li tfal ma jitilfux aktar skola.
If parents follow the measures which the health and education department have introduced, if these are followed by all, then we should be able to open our schools successfully. The teaching will be done in an adjusted manner according to the protocols, but yes, I believe that we can also overcome this hurdle.
Matul l-intervista l-Kap Eżekuttiv taċ-Chamber tal-SMEs semmit il-fatt li żieda fil-każi pożittivi ta' COVID-19 matul il-ġimgħat tas-sajf kienet daqqa n-negozji. Kien hawn illi Robert Abela ammetta illi mhux kulħadd gawda mill-iskema tal-wheat supplement.
We did not expect high numbers during summer, and what should have been, in our opinion, a very strong summer given the COVID circumstances, was a bit negatively affected by numbers increasing and obviously consumer confidence being affected.
Abigail Mamo insistit fuq il-bżonn li l-Gvern iniedi kampanja qawwija sabiex isostni lin-negozji bil-Prim Ministru jidher kontinwament qed iwieġeb billi jaqra kelma b'kelma risposti preparati minn qabel. Il-President tal-Kamra tal-SMEs, Paul Abela, min-naħa tiegħu stqarr illi għad hemm inċertezza dwar meta l-affarijiet se jibdew jitjiebu xi ftit u insista li hemm bżonn messaġġi ċari mill-awtoritajiet.